Next, question number 26. Find minimum percentage uncertainty in velocity of an electron with respect to original velocity if lambda and delta x represent wavelength of electron wave function and uncertainty in position respectively. According to Heisenberg's uncertainty principle, we know that uncertainty in position into uncertainty in momentum is greater than equals to h upon 4 pi, or we can say delta x into m delta v is greater than equals to h by 4 pi. And also, according to de Broglie's hypothesis, we know lambda is h upon mv. If we substitute the value of h, we will get lambda mv divided by 4 pi. और हमें निकालना है delta v by v. It would be greater than equals to lambda upon 4 pi delta x. So minimum percentage of uncertainty in velocity with respect to original velocity, it would be lambda upon 4 pi delta x into 100. So answer is option C. Next, question number 27. 200 ml of a liquid is present in insulated container at pressure of 2 atm. Suddenly pressure is increased to 50 atm with a 2 ml decrease in volume. Find the correct statement. The container is insulated, so heat exchange would be 0, and according to first law of thermodynamics, delta U equals to Q plus W. Q की वैल्यू 0 है, तो delta U it would be equals to W. और यहाँ पे there is a contraction in volume by 2 ml. So work done would be a non-zero value. So if we calculate work done, it would be minus P external delta V. P external is 50 atm. Delta V final volume minus initial volume. Work done would be plus 100 atm ml, or this is also equals to delta Q. And we know delta H is equals to delta U plus delta PV. Delta U we have calculated, it is 100 plus P2 V2 minus P1 V1. We know all the values, so substituting these values, we will get delta H is equals to 9600 atm ml. So the correct options are option B, C and D. Next, question number 28. Which of the following option is correct for acid-base reaction of boric acid with water? The reaction is H3BO3 boric acid reacts with H2O to form BOH whole 4 minus plus H plus. Now first option, hybridization of boron atom change during this process. Boric acid में the hybridization of boron, it is sp2, and in product the hybridization is sp3. So hybridization change हो रही है, so this statement is correct. Second, shape of compound or ion of boron in reactant and product are different. As we can see that the shape of compound in reactant is triangular planar और product में shape है tetrahedral. So different shapes है. So this is correct. Second, boric acid except 1 H plus. Boric acid except 1 OH minus. So this is incorrect. Option D, this is not the Arrhenius acid-base reaction. This statement is correct because boric acid except 1 lone pair from water. So this is Lewis acid-base reaction, not Arrhenius acid-base reaction. So the correct options are option A, B and D. Next, question number 29. All the atoms contained in a sample of hydrogen gas having volume 2.24 liter at pressure 1 atm and temperature 273 Kelvin are excited to third shell. What is the amount of energy required for this process? If bond energy of H2 is 436 kilojoule per mole. In this process, H2 molecule को पहले atoms में convert किया and the electron in these atoms are excited to third shell, and we need to find out the energy required for this process. Before finding out, let us find out the number of moles of H2. Pressure, volume and temperature is given. So the number of moles of H2 are 0.1 mole. So energy required to break bonds of 0.1 mole H2 is 436 into 0.1, that is 43.6 kilojoule. And total number of moles of hydrogen atom produced, they are 0.2. So energy required to excite electron to third shell, it is 1312 kilojoule into 1 upon n1 square minus 1 upon n2 square. This is the energy per mole और हमारे पास number of moles हैं 0.2. Energy required to excite electron, they would be 233.2 kilojoule. And total energy is summation of these two, that is 276.8. So answer is option D. Next, question number 30. Which of the following reaction represent standard heat of formation? First, standard heat of formation क्या होती है? It is the energy released when 1 mole of product is found from its constituent element in most stable state. First is carbon diamond plus O2 gaseous converting into carbon dioxide. Carbon की most stable state होती है graphite. So this is not the standard heat of formation. Second, half I2 solid plus half I2 plus half H2O gaseous converting into HI liquid. This is correct representation of standard heat of formation. Third, carbon graphite plus O2 gaseous converting into carbon monoxide. Carbon graphite plus half O2 gaseous converting into carbon monoxide. This is correct. Last, carbon graphite plus O2 converting into carbon dioxide. This is also correct representation. So answers are option B, C and